so skin is all prepped. I did everything off camera. As you can see, I look very moisturized, very shiny. I have a skin routine video coming up in a couple of days. I did my eyebrows off camera. I have not filled them in yet, but I used my Got2b glue. This is my favorite glue to use for my brows. I have very soft brows, so nothing keeps them in place, but the Got2b glue, I've been using it for years and it helps keep my brows in place. I am gonna fill them in a second with my Benefit Precisely My Brow. This is my favorite brow pencil to use, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some primer. So while this is drying down, I can do my brows. And I am using the e.l.f. This is the Power Grip Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It is a good dupe for the one from Melt Cosmetics. Okay, and it's already getting sticky, so that is good. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you can see how I do my brows. Nothing too crazy. I just like to fill in the parts that are very like sparse. I had trimmed my brows and plucked them, so I wanted to give myself like an arch. So I don't know how I feel about the new brows. I don't know, but I'm gonna see how they grow on me. What do you guys think? Do you like the thinner brows? Do we like the thicker brows? I don't know. I haven't had thin brows since high school. I used to go crazy in high school with plucking my eyebrows. I literally had eyebrow blindness. I had eyebrow blindness a lot. And it was crazy because the girls in high school would tell me that my brows looked so good. I even had girls ask me if I could pluck their eyebrows. And like when I look back on pictures now, I'm like, you guys lied to me, you're crazy. They do not look that good. They did not look good at all. So I decided that I wanted to have like more of an arch like here in my brows. So I had decided to pluck them. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of them. I'm still deciding. I mean, I only plucked them yesterday, so I'm still deciding if I like them or not. What do you think? I think they look good. Okay, and is our skin tacky? We're ready for foundation. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm still deciding on what I want to do. I'm not tan right now. I need to do my tanner. So I'm debating if, honestly, I have been loving the Soft Lit foundation from Fenty Beauty. This one is one of my ultimate favorite foundations. It's very lightweight, very buildable. So if you are a like light to medium kind of person, this is perfect for you. I don't know how well the shade is gonna match right now because I'm usually a bit tanner, but we'll see. I don't really have too many foundations for when I'm not tan. I honestly started my period yesterday and I have been so tired, so I didn't even bother to tan like at all. I had to pull myself out of bed this morning because I have so much that I need to do today, so the show must go on. Okay, look at that coverage. I really love this foundation. It's definitely one of my favorites. And look at that glow. Rihanna was not kidding when she said soft lit. And now I'm just gonna take it down my neck a bit. It is definitely not my color right now, but that is okay. That is why we are wearing a turtleneck. So it blends in. So you can't see the rest of my body. Ah, that's so gorgeous. I love it. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna move on to contouring. Okay, so normally when I'm more tan, I like to go in with Honey from Juvia's Place, but because I'm not as tan today, I'm gonna go in with Warm Tan from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is one of my favorites. I love contouring. It just brings like life back to my face. And when you are applying cream products, you want to stipple them in so that you are getting the most coverage that you can from the product. You never want to swipe your products. That's what will make your makeup very streaky. I forgot to say that these brushes are from Jessup. This is from their Lover collection, and I really like these brushes so much. I like that they're double-sided, so I like to use this one for contouring and this one for blush. And the entire collection is just really good. They have really good eyeshadow brushes in there too. So we're done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose now. And normally I would contour my eyes, but I want to do a soft holiday look today. Nothing too crazy, just something cute for the holidays. Okay, so next step I like to do in my makeup routine is blush. I like to do my blush before my contour just because I think it blends better than when I do my concealer. I think I said contour. I could do my concealer first. So I'm gonna go in with the Freckle Blush from Rhode Beauty. This one is very pinky, very beautiful. It blends very good into the skin. I just recently picked up some blushes from her, as well as her cinnamon, I think it's the cinnamon roll, lip tint. And I'm not gonna lie, I love the blushes. I have not tried the lip tint yet, but I've seen it all over TikTok and it's very beautiful shade, so maybe we'll try it for this look today. I don't know yet. Just zoom you guys in a bit so you can see like how pretty this color is, and it's very like subtle and very buildable. Yes, that's very cute. I think I'm gonna do one more layer just because I'm kind of blush crazy. You never have too much blush. Blush blindness is definitely not in my vocabulary. Ah, I love this blush. Miss Bieber put her whole foot in this blush. Oh my gosh. Ah, okay, cool. All right, so next, I'm trying to think. I think we'll go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I liked it the last time I used it, so we're gonna try her again today. This one is very full coverage. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit so that the concealer can dry down a bit so we can get a bit more full coverage from this. Even though this concealer is already full coverage, I just want, you know, this makeup's supposed to last us all night for like a Christmas party, holiday party, New Year's party. So we want it to last all night. We don't want our concealer to be creasing and disappearing on us. So we're gonna let this sit for a little bit. Okay, so while this is sitting, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced lip injection on the lips. This is pretty much like going to help us look like we have lip injections without the needles. So this is going to help our lips look nice and full. So while those two are setting, I am gonna be right back and we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so she has had some time to dry down. I'm gonna go in with this brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics to just blend it out. This concealer just is so beautiful. I love this concealer. I'm happy I decided to actually give in and buy it. And I'm just gonna just blend it up a little bit towards the eyelid. So I don't like to bring it exactly all the way up. I'd like to put majority of the product down here because the more you put it up, the more you're gonna get creasing. So I like to just concentrate the product just in this area right here. This brush blends out the concealer so beautifully. I normally like to use a powder puff when blending out my concealer, but when I do reach for a brush, I'll reach for this one. I heard the one by House Labs is really good as well. I just have not tried that one yet. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that brush that we used with the blush just to blend the concealer and the blush together. You want everything to look seamless, no harsh lines or anything. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the Airbrush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury. This I love to use on my under eye and my smile lines. You cannot go wrong with anything from Charlotte Tilbury. It helps mattify the under eye and help the makeup last all night and all day. Just because I get oily here in my T area, so I'm gonna put some here on the chin too. Am I the only one that gets excited when like my makeup is coming out so good? Okay, I'm not gonna put any on my forehead just because I like to have a bit of shine on my forehead still. Just makes the skin look like skin. Okay, so next moving on to bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. And this is help set that cream contour. Okay, and since Freckle from Rhode is a bit on the peachy side, I'm gonna go in with Krista from Benefit Cosmetics. This one is a very peachy blush, very beautiful. It has a very like strawberry pink kind of blush. So I feel like this one complements a little bit on the nose. Very good. I love Benefit's blushes. Rhode, Benefit, one size, everything. Juvia's Place is such a good price for their blushes. And their blushes are very pigmented. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put my beauty marks back where they are. Okay, so I like to use the brown eyeliner for the bigger beauty marks, and then I like to go in with Freckle XL for the smaller beauty marks. Okay, and then, yeah, that's good. Mixing out some here. And because we want everything to last all day, I'm gonna go in with the Professional Setting Spray from Benefit Cosmetics first. And then the One Size On Till Dawn. This one is great. This one will make your makeup last all day. Okay, so face is done. I'm gonna go on to eyes now. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Crowd Pleaser. This one's from Morphe Cosmetics. I just picked this up from Ulta and it is so beautiful. Look at those shades. Look at those two shimmers in the middle. Beautiful. This palette is so versatile. I'm so excited to use it. Like I said, we're not gonna do anything too crazy for the eyes today. So I'm gonna go in with the color Warm Welcome. This one is a very pigmented shade. So I'm gonna start off very light-handed and just blend, blend, blend. Honestly, with any eyeshadow look, the secret is just to blend, blend, blend till your fingers can't blend anymore. Okay, that one's down, very beautiful. One thing about Morphe's eyeshadows is they will be very pigmented. You don't even see how much I've picked up. I barely touched the pan and the color is there. And I am just using the E01 brush from Jessup. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the shade You're Right and just diffusing the outer part of the shadow just so that it looks very seamless, not very harsh. I'm so glad I grabbed this palette. I was like checking out in Ulta and the Morphe like kiosk thing was like right there near the checkout line, and this palette just like screamed at me, so I had to grab it. I'm gonna go in with a bit more warm welcome. Honestly, you just go back and forth between the colors until you get what you like. That is the key to getting a seamless eyeshadow look. And if you are curious about my lashes and you live in Austin, I will put my lash tech's information down in the description for you. Her lashes are amazing. Okay, so I just want to darken the outer corner a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the color Agreed and just place that right over here. So which shimmer should I use? Let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with Pushover. Pushover is a nice, pretty pink. 100% is more of like a champagne pink. I'm gonna go Pushover right here. Oh, that color. That is beautiful. I don't even think my camera's really picking up how beautiful this shimmer is. Oh, that is such a pretty shimmer. This eyeshadow look is giving like Sugar Plum Princess. Very cute. I need to stop myself before I go overboard with this because it is so pretty. Okay. That is the eyeshadow done. I think it came out very cute. I love this palette. Okay, so what should we do for lips today? I don't want to do anything dark because I want all of the attention to be on the eyes. So I think we'll do something light. Okay, so I think for lip liner, I'm gonna go in with Fawn from Refi Beauty. This one is a very pretty, like light brown. I'm gonna wipe actually that lip plumper off real quick. Okay, so going in with Fawn. I really love this formula. It is so smooth, and this color is such a cute, like pinky nude, not too dark or anything. And I'm gonna go in with this plumping gloss from Patrick Ta. This is in the shade 2cc. I love how this look came out. Okay guys, that is it for this look. What do you guys think? Does it give very like Sugar Plum Princess, holiday vibes? I feel like this look is very cute, very straight to the point, not too complicated, very beginner friendly. Yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the look. This palette here is gonna be one of my go-tos for this holiday season. It's perfect. It has some pretty shimmers. Oh my god, I still can't get over it. Next time I'm definitely gonna try 100% because that like champagne pink is just like rose gold is just so beautiful. I have not done an eyeshadow look on my channel in quite a while, so I was really excited to do this today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what was your favorite part of this look. Personally, I think it was the eyeshadow, but then again, the lips, the skin, everything was great. I really enjoyed this look. I hope you guys did too, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.